You want to keep that bead, keep the bead tight, because the bird's going to walk into the zigzag, okay, into the cross hatching. That's all you got to do is just work it along the edges. So what you do is you take your caulking gun. Now, where these guys are, you see a lot of pigeon guano down here. The reason is there's a water source here, so they've been hanging out drinking water on top of this over here. So I would tell you that this whole area needs to be done over here and over here on this side. It takes a while to kind of get used to the zigzag. There you go. You're the man. They're walking. I want to put some over in here. Need another two. Right in the water. It just holds up. Yeah, they're also standing on this edge right here. This you have no choice. You got to go with a single bead. You don't have to put it all over there because they're going to walk on this eventually. So, you know, no wasting the gel because you don't need to do every possible surface. All you got to do is do the edges and they'll fly in and walk on it. Excellent. You want to pull back, have a nice, easy pull it back. Keep the pressure on the whole time. You want to try this? Go ahead, pull the trigger back, and then run it. the birds. You know, where they're standing and where they're hiding.
Well, that's what I was going to ask.
You really can't. Is it really? Oh, it is.
It'll stop.
Wow, good thing we're down here. What I recommend is a pizza like that. And the reason is pigeons have 180 degrees on the side of their head. They like to overlook their prey and their food. So they always stand in corners and then they swoop down on their food. So we put the pizza cone, because this is a heavy trafficked area. But you know, I'm from Northern California, so. Yeah, I have the MSDS in the car. Down as far as you can down on this side.